In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $12,295 in commission in one single month with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing using free traffic from YouTube. So just by promoting my Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, I will share with you my methods, my secrets, my strategies that helped me to start making like these commissions every single month using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this, okay? So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing, step number one, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Amazon Associate, okay? And click on the first link over here and you will be directly to this sign up process page to Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing. Click on sign up like this and here you go. Click on create your Amazon account and here you go. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, your password and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing, okay? So this will be your Amazon home page affiliate account, your home, promotion, tools, reports, help, your summary, your commissions, and your bounties over here. What you will do next, you just need to choose a good product that people will be interested to buy from you on YouTube. So what you will do, you will go and open your YouTube account like this, open your YouTube homepage like this. Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. You guys can see that's a really a big number. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. And you can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps that I will share with you, okay? You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. People, in millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for products, services, topics, and so much more, okay? So how we can find good product that people will be interested to buy from you on YouTube, Amazon products that people will be interested to buy from you on YouTube. So what you will do, click on YouTube search and ask question. I'm gonna ask, for example, let's say how to fix back pain. I know that a lot of people and millions of people are struggling with this problem. How to fix back pain. You guys can see this is a report search prediction. That's what people are searching for on YouTube. People are searching for how to fix back pain at home, how to fix back pain up, how to fix back pain from sleeping wrong, and so much more. So what you will do next, you will go to Amazon, go to your Amazon homepage, to your Amazon website like this, and click on the search and search for back pain, okay? Search for this product, search for back pain products. Scroll down. I want you to pay a close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers, like those sellers, best sellers. Guys, this is the proof. You see this? Over 10,000 people paid for this product in the past month, meaning that a lot of people, they have this problem and they are interested. If you give those people a good product that can help those people to fix this problem, you can make so much money. You just need to be a problem solver, okay? Solve problems for people. That's how we can make so much money. You guys can see this one. Over 10,000 people paid for this one. This one, over 4,000 people paid for this one. We have also this one here, over 2,000 people. Let's scroll down. We have, let's see. We have also this one here. You guys can see over 10,000 people. I will choose this one. I will click on this product. So this product is looking really interesting. It's really good. So what you will do next, you will scroll down like this, and so you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. You guys can see that this seller has videos here. Let's click on his videos. Let's check his videos. So this seller has videos, which is really good. Okay, so just click on his videos, and here you go. So what you will do next, you need to download videos that people recorded, people who already used this product. They are already recorded some videos here. Go to this videos, okay, this one, related videos for this product. You guys can see you need to download one of those videos. So how you can download those videos? You guys can go and use this extension that I'm using. Let me show you. I'm using this one. I will share it with you guys. You guys can take screenshots if you want. This one, Amazon Video Downloader. Okay, go and search for this extension in Chrome Web Store and install this in your Chrome. Super easy. After you do that, it's gonna be here, and if you click on this extension, will give you the videos here, and you can choose which one you want to download. Okay, you just need to click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. I already download this one to show you guys how we can do it. So what you will do next, you will go to Canva. Okay, let me show you guys. If you don't have Canva account, go to Google and search for Canva like this. Just go to Google, search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and after you finish, this will be your homepage. It's for free. Click on video and click over here. Let me show you. Click on YouTube video, this one. Click on YouTube video. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Amazon. I download this video.
Hello shoppers, if you are looking for a great lumbar support belt,
so click on open and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background like this. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use for your video. I will use this one. Delete this second one. I'm gonna delete this one, it's not looking good, and I will decrease the font size of this text, and I will put this text here. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my description. I will put my Amazon affiliate link in my YouTube description. Okay, so to show to people where they can find these products, those people who are interested. Click on elements, scroll down. Okay, scroll down, go over here to ships and choose this one. Click on color, choose a black color and put this ship behind your text like this exactly. It's super easy, and here you go. Let's check. This is the feedback from one of those customers who already paid for this product and used it. Okay, let's check.
Great lumbar support belt. I would highly recommend to try this one from Fito. It looks like this. It's specially designed for people who is suffering from scoliosis, sciatica, and lower back pain and other spine problems. This belt is very well made out of highest quality materials.
You guys can see that this person is explaining this product, which makes this video amazing video that can convert and that convince people to buy this product from us on YouTube, which is really good. I will click on share, I will click on download, and this video will be downloaded to my laptop. I will go to my YouTube channel and I will upload this video. I will use this title, how to fix back pain, and after that I will go back to my Amazon, to this Amazon product page. So you guys should have an affiliate account with Amazon, so you can start seeing like this bar over here, this one, so like this one, site Stripe. Okay, so to get an affiliate link, just click on get link here, and this is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link, go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description of this video that you will upload. exactly like this. That's how I'm making so much commissions. I'm giving and I'm promoting product that can solve problems for people, and that's how I'm making really a lot, and over $10,000 every single month with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic. I do my own research. I see which people, what's the problem that people are facing. I go to Amazon, I try to find product that can solve those problems, and I start promoting those products on YouTube using free traffic, because those people are searching, those people has this problem. So let's like for real, if you have, for example, if you have this problem, how to fix back pain, you will not try this products if I give you like this product. It's just for $28, okay? It's almost $29, okay? You will not get this product to fix your back pain. Of course you will, okay? If you have really this problem, you will try this product and you will get this product. And this is exactly why those people here also will buy this product from you. They have this problem and they are searching for on YouTube for solutions, okay? And this product, this one, is the solution for your back pain. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. And for people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you and follow with you step by step and give you more details, okay? Try to stay consistent, try to do research, see what would try to promote product that can solve people problems for people. Be a problem solver, and I can guarantee to you that you can make so much money. You need to help people, okay? If you are helping people, you can make so much money. I can guarantee this to you. This is from my experience, and that's it. See you in my next videos.